I went to my first lodging conference 3 years ago, and I stayed off-site at a hotel, and my in-wall body wash is empty in the shower. So I go down to front desk, so I took a shower with shampoo, go down to front desk, and I'm like, hey, could you please refill it? I get back at midnight and don't think to ask front desk if it was done. Go into my room to take a shower before bed. It's not filled. Again, I take a shower with shampoo. Next morning, forgot to ask front desk again, took a third shower with shampoo, talked to front desk on my way to the venue, came back, this time in the evening, stopped by front desk and said, was it done? Do I have body wash? And they're like, let me check on that. They have a paper clipboard of all the rooms and all the maintenance requests, and they're not sure if it's done. So one of the softwares we partner with, one of the things they're doing is when a guest messages you and says, my toilet is broken, it gives you the option to create a work ticket from there. When maintenance starts working on it, it will message the guest, someone's working on your toilet. When it's done, it will message the guest, your toilet was fixed. Now, the burden is not on the guest to follow up. Right. I think there is probably thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of ways AI can actually have real impact on guest satisfaction.